Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this suction cup magnetic phone mount for your car, or I guess really anywhere you want to put a suction cup phone mount. So we're going to pop this thing open. I've had this for a little bit, and I just haven't had a chance to make a video on it because I've been doing all the iPhone 15 content and stuff like that. So right here we have your magnetic base with your little ball mount right here, suction cup. Pretty nice base here, good quality, adjustable right here. And then we have your magnet section right here. Now if you already have one of these ball mounts, it looks like this is just the standard kind of car mount ball mount size, so you may be able to put it on an existing one. If you have one for like a vent or something like that, may also work on there. So just screws on there like so. I've got my iPhone 15 Pro Max right here, so excuse me. We'll get this. I don't have anything to suction it to right now. I'm not in my car, obviously, but right there. Nice, nice magnetic adhesion, I guess you could call it. I am using my Caseborne MagSafe case, and it sticks to it with no issue. Now, the only thing I did have a concern about on this mount when I saw it was the fact that it is just the round part of the magnet. It does not have the kind of alignment magnet down there that keeps the phone from spinning. But once I opened the product, I did realize that it is a rubber back right here. So when you put your phone on it, the phone does not turn. That's just the actual thing moving on the table, that movement right there. But if I hold the magnet still, you can see it's not moving on the magnet. So that is very, very nice right there. So you don't have to worry about your phone twisting and turning and anything like that while it's in your car. So right there, suction cup magnet mount. I think this thing's like 20 bucks. It's pretty cheap. So very, very good price. And I will also have a coupon code for you guys down in the description, which is good for a month. I believe it goes to November 19th. So if you want to get this for like a gift or something, it's 20% off, and it will be down in the description where you can pick this up on Amazon. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.